There's a dark side to Hollywood's glitz and glamour, one that often hides in the bottle. Behind the flashing cameras, luxury limousines, and red carpets, some of the biggest stars in history couldn't seem to keep their hands off the bottle. We all know about the rumors, the gossip, and the occasional slip-up, but what if I told you that these legends weren't just partying during their off time? They were on a perpetual bender? Yep, Hollywood has a long, rich history of stars who not only stumbled off the set but had entire careers built on their drunken chaos. From wild on-screen performances to behind-the-scenes antics, these legends lived for the drink. And you won't believe who made the list. Number 10. Errol Flynn. Errol Flynn was the original heartthrob. But let's be clear, he wasn't just the charming rogue on screen. Off-screen, he was even more legendary, mostly because of his deep love for alcohol. His late-night benders were the stuff of Hollywood folklore. Forget about his swashbuckling roles. Flynn was a swashbuckler of the nightlife. With a flask always within reach, Flynn's public drunkenness was often so outrageous it made headlines. But his real party tricks? Running through the streets of Hollywood barefoot, drunkenly stumbling into his own film premieres, and, of course, some highly questionable behavior with co-stars. Legend has it that Flynn didn't just have an affair with the drink. He had a full-blown love affair that lasted well into his turbulent career. But it wasn't just the booze that led to his infamous reputation. Flynn's behavior was so erratic that Warner Brothers had to issue multiple warnings. But what could they do? The guy was a golden goose, albeit a golden goose with a permanent hangover. Number 9. Richard Burton. If you've ever watched Who's Afraid of Virginia Woolf, you already know Richard Burton could give the performance of his life. The catch? He was almost always drunk while doing it. Burton was a notorious alcoholic, and his drinking almost rivaled his acting skills. His on-set behavior was, at times, as legendary as his acting chops. Think late-night whiskey shots and storming out of interviews, all while he navigated one of Hollywood's most dramatic marriages with Elizabeth Taylor. Burton was often drunk during film shoots, his face red, eyes glassy, and temper short. His drinking spiraled so much that it wasn't uncommon for the production team to need to delay shoots due to Burton's state. But he was Richard Burton, and the show went on, even if it was more of a drunken spectacle than a smooth performance. Number 8. Marlon Brando. Marlon Brando. You think of The Godfather, right? You think of method acting, the legend, the genius. But what you don't know is how Brando was drunk almost all the time, on and off screen. As much as we love his genius, the man was a train wreck in a Hawaiian shirt. From his disastrous attempts to hold it together at Apocalypse Now to the bizarre moments during his Godfather fame, Brando's personal demons were often fueled by whiskey and rum. In fact, it's said that Brando's constant drunkenness became part of his acting routine. He'd show up late to shoots, often belligerent, and still manage to steal every scene. In a way, his drunken, erratic behavior made him even more magnetic on screen. How do you think he perfected that slurring, casual Godfather delivery? It was real life, but behind the myth of his genius, a lonely, messy, boozy star who could barely hold it together. Brando lived out the epitome of rock star behavior, and we're talking more rock and roll and less Academy Award winner. Number 7. Judy Garland. Everyone knows Judy Garland, the Wizard of Oz. Somewhere over the rainbow, that sweet, innocent voice. But off-screen, she was often anything but that angelic image. Garland struggled with substance abuse for much of her life, and alcohol was her go-to vice. She drank heavily to cope with the pressures of fame, the constant public scrutiny, and the mental strain of a life spent in Hollywood. What's even more shocking, the lengths the studio went to keep her under control. MGM, in its relentless pursuit of the perfect star, had Garland hooked on a cocktail of pills and alcohol, constantly trying to keep her on schedule while she spiraled deeper into addiction. There are countless stories of Garland turning up to set, glass of whiskey in hand, barely able to remember her lines or stay on beat. Yet, her raw talent never faltered. Number 6. Oliver Reed. Oliver Reed's life was like a perpetual bar fight, with a career in between. The man wasn't just drunk on the job, he was drunk off it, too. Reed's love affair with alcohol was well known, but his on-set antics were the stuff of legends. Reed would routinely show up to set completely hammered, ready to rumble or laugh it off like it was any other Tuesday. He got into fistfights with co-stars, made crude jokes, and constantly taunted directors, all while somehow delivering memorable performances. The most famous story? While filming Gladiator, Reed was asked to tone it down due to his wild behavior. What did he do? He upped the ante, drinking heavily and living his life like a madman, and it somehow worked in his favor. As Reed aged, his drinking became more extreme, and tragically, it ultimately led to his death at the age of 61. Number 5. Peter O'Toole. Peter O'Toole's drinking was as legendary as his career. Known for his dramatic flair, O'Toole brought that same intensity to his drinking. Whether it was whiskey, gin, or brandy, he drank with a passion that matched his roles. On-set benders weren't unusual, and reports say that O'Toole was often found pacing the sets with a bottle in one hand and an improvisational line in the other. His legendary drinking wasn't just a hobby, it was a part of his character. O'Toole once joked that if acting was a game of poker, he'd bet his life on the table, especially when fueled by booze. The man could take the stage sober or drunk, and it wouldn't matter. He made it all look effortless. But in reality, it was a battle with the bottle that he'd never win. Number 4. Charlie Sheen. Charlie Sheen's spiral into madness was written in neon lights. His drunken escapades are the stuff of reality TV gold. Sheen wasn't just a Hollywood bad boy, he was an entire circus. Wild parties? Check. Rampant behavior? Check. Alcohol-induced tirades? Double check. What sets Sheen apart? He had no filter. He didn't care if the cameras were rolling. His entire career was built on that chaos. Even in 2.5 Men, a show that lasted a decade, Sheen's behavior was both the punchline and the scandal. Offset, he was a raging alcoholic and proud of it, talking about his drinking like it was a badge of honor. Number 3. Frank Sinatra. Frank Sinatra, OL Blue Eyes. The man who could sing his way into anyone's heart was also the man who could drink anyone under the table. Sinatra had a long-standing affair with alcohol, and it wasn't just a weekend thing. No, this was a full-time commitment. His party habits were so well known that they became an essential part of his persona. When he wasn't hosting the Rat Pack's notorious Vegas benders, Sinatra was having whiskey-fueled meltdowns. The truth? He was drunk as often as he was sober, yet he had the rare ability to turn his drunken moments into gold on stage. After all, if you're Frank Sinatra, you can get away with anything. Number 2. John Wayne. John Wayne, the ultimate symbol of American masculinity, was often just a big, clumsy, booze-soaked figure. The Duke wasn't exactly hiding his relationship with alcohol. He wore it like a badge of honor. Offset, he'd drink his way through interviews, and on set, he was infamous for the way he'd show up to shoots still tipsy from the night before. He was known for keeping a bottle of scotch in his trailer at all times, and his rough-and-tumble, tough guy persona was undoubtedly fueled by liquid courage. But despite the booze, John Wayne stayed a legend. He wasn't just a drinker, he was a force of nature, somehow churning out film after film, even when he could barely stand. Number 1. W.C. Fields. And at the top of the list, we have the one and only W.C. Fields. This guy wasn't just a drunk. He was the drunk of Hollywood. Known for his snarky humor, quick wit, and constant drunkenness, Fields made a career out of playing misanthropes and grumpy drunks. And he did it with such precision that it became his own brand. Fields was a notorious drinker off-screen, too. He even went so far as to make a public statement, "I never drink water. Fish expletive in it." His love for booze was so famous that people didn't even recognize him unless he was holding a glass of whiskey. The man lived for his drink, and it helped him become an icon. His drunken antics were as legendary as his films, and he was unapologetic about it. If anything, it only added to his charm. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more shocking stories coming your way. Until next time, keep the mystery alive.